By starting your research in the Family Law Hub, you eliminate irrelevant national and cross-practice clutter without any extra effort. In the Hub, each query you submit is automatically filtered through a California family law lens, producing primary law and secondary source results that are more on point than you've ever had without using additional filters. As you enter your search using keywords or natural language, you'll be offered a list of related search terms and possible content matches. If you see what you need in that list, click on the suggestion to move forward. Otherwise, click the search icon or hit enter to be taken to the full list of results. When you enter a search from the Hub overview page, you will see practitioner results first and can then navigate to the other content types using the tabs just below the search bar. If you enter your search from one of the content landing pages, you will see the results for that content type first. While the results are automatically narrowed to California family law and sorted by relevance, you can further filter your search as needed. For each content type, just below the content tabs, you're given the option to search within results, where you can include additional key terms. To the right of the search within results box, each content type has its own quick access filters. For a few of the content types, including practitioner, you can sort the results by date, which will bring the most recently updated results to the top of the list with a single click. Just below that, and above the list of results, you'll see 6 tabs. These outline the 5 practitioner resource types, each serving a unique purpose. We have a comprehensive introduction to practitioner later in this series, which will be useful to those of you with Family Law Hub Plus Practitioner or Family Law Navigator plans. For content type-specific filters, click the blue Filter Search to the right of the content tabs. The filters that appear will be different depending on which content tab you are on. For practitioner results, you can filter by practice area, including sub-area, task type organized between litigation-type tasks and transactional-type tasks, and courts, including the 4 federal district courts in California and county superior courts for the 20 most populous counties in California. Under secondary sources, the checkbox in the upper right corner allows you to quickly narrow to forms only. The forms published in our secondary sources are attorney-drafted, downloadable Word documents that offer a strong starting point when drafting briefs and letters. The other secondary source filters include practice area, titles, which is great if you know which book or books may have the information you need, and resource type. And of course, you can use keywords to search within results. You can sort CEB news results by date instead of relevance, filter by practice area, and search within results. If case law is what you need and you plan to use it in a court briefing, narrowing your results to published only is an easy start. And if you're wanting the most recent cases, sorting by date is a good next step. Narrowing by cause of action can be helpful to give you an idea of what claims people have sought under similar circumstances. This can inform your further research and can help you plan what evidence you need for your case. To find a more parallel case to your own, you might narrow by court, procedural posture, disposition, or appellant's trial court role. Note the TrueCite flags next to each case. These offer at-a-glance insight on whether the case may be usable. For an in-depth look at our case citator, find our TrueCite video. When looking at the statute's results, you can use a keyword search or filter by code. And lastly, when viewing the rules of court search results, your only option to filter is by searching within the results. Be aware that although each content tab allows you to search within results and may contain the same filters as other content types, like practice area, switching between content tabs resets and clears all filters, including additional key terms you've included. The filters remain cleared even when returning to content tabs on which you've previously used filters. While we've designed our search functionality to streamline your research process, there may be times where it makes more sense to browse our content for your answer, using the tabs just below the search bar. The practitioner landing page is organized by practice area and topic. Each listed topic links to a page containing subcategories, workflows, and practitioner documents organized by resource type. To learn more about our practitioner content, find our Intro to Practitioner video in this playlist. Our secondary sources landing page puts all your available titles in view with minimal scrolling and allows you to make your most used titles easily accessible with favorites. Click Expand All above the practice area boxes to see every title available under your plan, or expand one practice area at a time if you know generally what you're looking for. To add a title to your favorites, hover over the title and click the star that appears to the left. This title is now included in your Family Law Titles section at the top of your Secondary Sources landing page. To remove a title from your favorites, hover over the favorited title, then click the red delete icon that appears to the left. Under Family Law Cases, you'll find a list of, you guessed it, cases applicable to family law. The newest cases appear at the top and the available filters are on the left. We've tailored the statutes landing page to focus on the code sections that family law attorneys actually use. And on the next tab over, we've included all the California rules of court. If you need primary law outside of what you're finding in the Hub, all Family Law Hub subscriptions have access to our full primary law database in the OnLaw Pro module. The real value of finding a statute in our platform, whether in the Hub or in OnLaw Pro, is seeing everywhere that statute has been cited in our practice guides. This puts you a single click away from the expert analysis we are known for. You can scroll through all the results to find what you need, or you can narrow by practice area to see only the most relevant titles. We also list all the cases that have cited to the statute, with their TrueCite flags, along with the ability to filter your view. Finally, our news landing page allows you to read up on breaking legal news, the latest legal analysis, practice management content, and long-form reporting, all specific to California family law. You can find news articles covering all practice areas in the OnLaw Pro module. Every aspect of the Family Law Hub has been deliberately designed for the way family lawyers work, think, and advise. Starting your research here allows you to filter out the noise, save time, and reduce your research risk, making you a more effective lawyer all around.